Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you.
Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though just thinking about seeing that person, I am dreading it, I accept myself anyway. And even though I'm feeling so much dread just thinking about seeing that person, I accept myself and this feeling. And even though I'm feeling so much dread just thinking about the fact that I'm going to see that person, I accept myself anyway. Top of the head, this dread. Eyebrow, all this dread just thinking about seeing that person. Side of the eye, I'm dreading seeing that person. Under the eye, I'm dreading seeing this person. Under the nose, just thinking about seeing that person. Under the mouth, I feel all this dread because I really don't want to. Collarbone, all this dread. Under the arm, just feeling all this dread because I really don't want to see them. Good, go ahead and take a deep breath.